reports from Essex where a team of enthusiasts are fighting to keep the Vulcan's memory alive.
Not the most dignified of entrances for an aircraft which 25 years ago was at the forefront of Britain's Cold War nuclear deterrent. But in the late 80s and early 90s, after a military swan song in the Falklands, this Vulcan bomber found herself up against two new enemies, rust and human indifference. For 4 years she was left to rot at Southend Airport.
When the RAF were scrapping Vulcans, she was bought by a private owner who had the money to buy her and didn't have the money to do anything with her.
But when the money ran out, enthusiasm didn't. Volunteers, bus drivers, forklift truck operators, students have spent 2 years and £30,000 restoring the plane. Now, for the first time in 4 years, she's moved under her own power, taxied on the runway of Southend Airport. This is the aim, to get Vulcan XL426 up where she belongs and on the airshow circuit.
The aircraft needs about 30,000 man-hours work done to her. That will bring a bill of about £750,000 just on man-hours.
The first 20 minutes of the 30,000 man-hours will be spent writing a begging letter. The Vulcan restoration team reckon there's an outside chance of a national lottery handout getting their project off the ground.
That's it for now if you're driving your car or taxiing your bulk.